past the pain, past the shame. New beginnings hold the glory. Love can rise again. Love